Hello, and welcome to the City of Rockwall's Geographic Information Systems YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing the Utilities app. If you come up to the arrows, you will scroll through all of our apps until you find the Utilities app. Once you click on it, it will open in a new browser. You will click OK on the disclaimer, and then you will see that this app shows all the different water, sewer, and storm lines for the City of Rockwall. Now, if we come over and click on any of the lines or points, it will tell you what type of line it is and all the other additional information you might need. Now, you'll notice that up here I used these arrows to scroll in between. What that means is if you click on a particular line, it may highlight more than one object. So, for instance, this highlighted both the parcel layer as well as the water line. So you can use the arrows up in the top right corner of the box to scroll in between each attribute. Now, up in the right-hand corner, we first have our layer list. Now, if we click on this, you will see that you have the options to turn on the water, the wastewater, and the storm sewer networks. What this will help you do is if you are only interested in one network, you can turn the rest of them off to unclutter your map. As you can see, now all we see are all of the different layers within the water network. Our next icon is the legend. If you click on this, it will show you what all the different symbols that are currently on our map stand for. Now, if you remember earlier, we turned off the storm and the sewer networks. By doing that, we also removed them from our legend. If we were to go back and turn them back on, those would also show up in this box. The next icon is our measurement tool. We can use this to measure area. For instance, if you wanted to measure the area of a parcel, and it shows you the acreage. You can also measure the length. For instance, if we wanted to know the length of this particular line. If we click on the Art tool, this allows us to draw things on the map. We can draw various shapes and lines. And then if you want to clear it, all you do is press clear. You also have the option to print your map, as well as create bookmarks for your own personal use. Another important feature are our base maps. Here you can change what the background of your map looks like. We have various options from different years of imagery, as well as different other types of base maps. Another important feature is the Find an Address. If you come up here and type in an address, it will zoom you to that location. If you have any questions while viewing the map, just click right here and it'll bring you back to this tutorial.